The To-Do or Teamwork Makes the Dream Work is a project of the SciTech Mathematical Society, the official mathematics club of Santa Rosa Science and Technology High School. It is a project that aims to provide support to high school students in their respective mathematics subjects. This project consists of distribution of reviewers by grade level and posting of tutorial videos on YouTube. The topics in the tutorial videos are those that are requested by the SciTech students that responded in a survey given by the club, while the topic in the reviewers covers all the topics discussed in the quarter. The reviewers are only exclusive for the SciTech Mathematical Society club members.
Hello, good day. I'm Zander Candido from Grade 2. I'm the Grade 8 representative of SMS this school year 2021 to 2022. And I'm here to discuss proving statements in triangle congruence. The first part of this video will be defining what are the statements involved in proving statements in triangle congruence and examples. The second part is, as usual, exercises to see if you learned something from this lesson. Okay, let's jump to the first part of this video. Proving statements in triangle congruence. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent, also known as CPCTC. You have already encountered this theorem 2 weeks ago. CPCTC is commonly used near the end of a proof, which allows the student to show that two angles or two sides are congruent. Looking back at the definition of congruent triangles, if the corresponding sides and corresponding angles are congruent, then the two triangles are congruent. This can be reversed. Once the triangles are proven to be congruent, segments and angles can also be proven congruent. Here are a few examples. We have first example, we have the given line segment LI is congruent to line segment LA. Line segment PI is congruent to line segment PA. Now we have to prove that angle I is congruent to angle A. The first statement is line segment LI is congruent to line segment LA, and line segment PI is congruent to line segment PA for the reason that it is the given. Number 2, line segment PL is congruent to line segment PL, which is itself, for the reason that it is the reflexive property. Number 3, triangle LIP is congruent to triangle LAP, for the reason on SSS postulate, which is the side postulate. Number 4, angle I is congruent to angle A because for corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent, or CPC-TC. Let's look at another example. We have the given line segment of RA and line segment IL bisect each other at Z. Prove that line segment AL is congruent to line segment RI. We have the first statement, which is line segment RA and line segment IL bisect each other at Z, and it is the given. Number 2, line segment RZ is congruent to line segment AZ, and line segment LZ is congruent to line segment IZ. It is the definition of segment bisector. Number 3, angle RZI and angle AZL are vertical angles. For the reason, it is the definition of vertical angles. Number 4, angle RZI is congruent to angle AZL. For the reason that it is the vertical angle theorem. Triangle RIZ is congruent to triangle ALZ, for the reason SAS postulate, or the side angle side postulate. Number 6, line segment AL is congruent to line segment RI, for the reason corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent, or CPC-TC. Now we have the exercises. For the directions, complete the following proof. Choose your answer from the box below. Write it on a sheet of paper. So you can answer this exercise after watching this video, or you may take a screenshot and answer it later and review this video. And that's all for this video. And if you learned something, uh, would like to thank you and goodbye.